Hi everyone, my name is Furkan Ahmed and today I am going to share a experience, a knowledge that I learned yesterday from a podcast. So let's start that. Yesterday I watched a podcast and the podcaster name is Yasir, who was really good at speaking. His communication skill are the top notch, like here. So he shared some 5 topics that everybody should learn, everybody should experience, and also apply in his daily life. So, what are the 5 topics? What the Yasir, the best communicator, tell? Just give me 5 minutes of your attention. So I will tell you everything, and you will get the every knowledge that I have. So he shared 5 things. SHARE, share, where S stand for be unique. Be unique in yourself. What you do, like whatever the thing you do, you should be unique in it. You should not copy the other person, right? So H H stand for highlight the words that you say, like in storytelling. Whenever you want to grab the attention on particular topic of audience, you highlighted the word by saying in high pitch, or you wanted to experience them that in story someone is telling in low pitch. So that's the power of highlight you can understand. So let's move to the third topic. A, addressing the people. If someone is not paying attention to you, you should ask them question directly. Ask them suggestion. What are your thoughts on that topic? What are your thoughts on this topic? What you will suggest to me? So you have to address to them what they are thinking. You have to captivate their attention, right? So now move to the fourth. R. R. You have to remember it. You, for example, if the knowledge you have, if you share it some other person, you have to remember it first and also tell them that what you are thinking, what are your thoughts, and like you have to give him 100% what you learned. So by telling other person what you have learned, you also regain that memory, that like if I learned something, I share with you, my knowledge is also gained, and you also know some new things. So that's for R. And last and E. E stand for emotions. You have to connect with audience, you have to connect with listeners with emotionally. Whatever you are going to say, first you have to connect with him emotionally. So hi, how are you? You have to ask them, you have to greet them so that you can connect them emotionally. Like for example, I am a storyteller. I will go in front of my audience. I will crack some jokes so that I can connect with, they will laugh, they can connect with me. So after that, I will deliver my speech, I will deliver my story to them so that they will be more attentive, more captivate towards me. Ki what he was going to say, I want to listen to him. So that's the thing I learned from a podcast yesterday, and I also try to apply it in my daily life. So also you can apply it to make your communication better, so that you will be have good name in your society, that XYZ person is doing really good. So thank you for watching. Bye bye.